CAT23 is approaching and we have less than 2 months to CAT. I know most of you want to boost your score, you want to boost your percentile, you want to do better. But what are you dealing with? You are dealing with the score fluctuation, you are having section phobia, some of you may not be able to find the right strategies, some of you may be having the low confidence because of लो मॉक स्कोर्स और कुछ लोगों ने तो कैट को अगले साल देने के लिए तैयारी करनी शुरू कर दी है भाई. बट आपको ये सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग टू योर सिटी बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स विद अ वेरी स्पेशल चक द कैट वर्कशॉप जिसमें मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा 99 परसेंटाइल सीक्रेट और मंत्राज. और इसमें हम बात करेंगे VARC स्ट्रेटजी की, हम बात करेंगे DILR के अप्रोच का, और मैं आपको करवाऊंगा मस्ट डू क्वेश्चन विच विल डेफिनेटली एक्ट एज ए स्कोर बूस्टर. आपका जो स्कोर है और परसेंटाइल है वो डेफिनेटली एक जंप लेना शुरू कर देगा क्योंकि आप होंगे मेरे साथ लाइव क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर में. तो बच्चा लोग, व्हाट यू आर वेटिंग फॉर, बी रेडी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप चक द कैट इन योर own city. And the schedule is we shall be starting from Trivandrum and then it will be in Chennai, then Delhi, and then it will be in Ahemdabad. After that I will do it in Pune, Dharmshala, Lucknow, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru. आप सोच रहे होंगे सर यही वेन्यू में क्यों करें, क्योंकि भाई अगर इंडिया में क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है और जिस कंट्री में क्रिकेट इज ए रिलीजन एंड सचिन इज नॉट लेस देन ए गॉड एंड इट विल बी अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी to witness this World Cup, and you know it takes just one day to achieve the glory as this is this thing. तो आपको भी वो एक दिन चाहिए वर्कशॉप में जिसमें आपको स्कोर बूस्ट करेंगे और आपका एक नॉर्मल से एक प्लस वाले पार्ट में आ जाएंगे. What I'm gonna do in this workshop? Let me tell you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help you prepare the right strategy where you will be able to understand what mistakes you are doing and what is the normal way with which 99 percentilers achieve this score. So guys, CAT 2023 के लिए if you want to be part of this workshop, you can buy the tickets from Paytm Insider, and I shall be conducting these workshops in all the cities where the World Cup matches are there. This is the list of World Cup matches, and I shall also be fortunate to get the tickets and watch these matches. Right, and you will be able to see with me how and why one should be able to get the strategy right. क्योंकि Chuk De CAT workshop is to able to install the right confidence in you because ये 120 मिनट आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. So please do get to Paytm Insider and get your tickets done so that you can be live with me in this workshop where we shall be solving the questions and you can be part of this amazing workshop. So how you can be part of this? You have to scan the code, or you go to Paytm Insider, or you WhatsApp CDC to this number, and the investment is just 249 rupees. And I have not filled exam for Snap and ZAT yet. So if you want this exam, I should be appearing in your city. Please do write the name of city from where you are watching this video, and I shall try to come to the city with which maximum number of the students are there. So I will be happy to appear Snap, NMAT and CAT along with you. CAT is already fixed, it is in Batinda. NMAT I will be appearing in Delhi, but all the Snap attempts and the ZAT attempt I shall be appearing with you only in your own city. So for the time, let's get ready for this Chuk De CAT workshop. Starting from Trivandrum till Bengaluru, I shall be coming to your city and meeting you in person. Thank you very much, and please do share it with your local city groups so that those students who want to prepare for CAT 23 and want to get the right approach and strategy from me, they can be with me live one-to-one, face-to-face. All details shall be given to you once you register to this workshop. Thank you very much and wish you all the very best for CAT 2023. Goodbye. And I am very sure India is going to make it big and we will win this 2023 World Cup. All the best wishes to Team India also, guys. So see you in your own city in this workshop Chuk De CAT.